In a world where education is evolving faster than ever, UEducate is leading the change, revolutionizing how we teach and learn through cutting-edge technology and tools. UEducate is a complete digital education ecosystem crafted for the schools of the future. It brings together three powerful tools: Catbook, advanced, interactive and collaborative digital books; Campus, educational institution management solution; CaseMac, secured, closed communication platform. Together, they form one integrated system for efficient teaching and better learning outcomes. One ecosystem, infinite possibilities. Access your Catbook. Start by logging in with your personalized credentials. This is a secure gateway to your digital learning environment. From the dashboard, students can easily access their classes, exam schedules, attendance, daily diary, assignments, class posters, announcements, exam results, achievements, and even birthday updates, all in one place. Our first-of-its-kind dynamic timetable keeps everything organized. View your classes in a daily format as well as in a weekly calendar format. Each class directly links you to the relevant session supposed to be taught in that particular class and will direct you to the interactive world of Catbook. If a class is live, students can join directly through the dynamic timetable from anywhere in the world. The Catbook icon here lets you access all your subjects instantly and gives you an overview of the book coverage report for each book. Now, let's explore the immersive experience through Biology Catbook. At the top right, you'll see your school's name and credentials, confirming personalized access. Every Catbook is mapped session-wise and can be accessed through the index here. Percentage progress can be viewed for every unit, chapter and session with detailed analytics for session coverage, enhanced content, videos, annotations and doubts clarified. Enhanced multimedia-rich meta content. The base book is enhanced with additional information on important concepts through keywords highlighted in blue. Tap them to explore high-quality content curated by subject matter experts. You can access multimedia, including images, teaching videos, concept videos, explanation videos through base book as well as enhanced content, all embedded within the Catbook. Catbook is also enriched with meta content like 3D models, animations, lesson plans, virtual labs, and much more. Now, we will look at a virtual lab that allows you to perform experiments from within the Catbook itself. Every experiment is guided and offers detailed explanation and solutions. AI-enabled and multiple search in case the student or the teacher wants more information on any particular subject that is not covered in the keywords. We have provided the Catbook with a revolutionary multi-search functionality. You can highlight and select any word or any part of the text from the Catbook and navigate to multiple search options where you can find information from various web browsers, AIs, encyclopedias, dictionaries. Once you click on any of them, the search result will be shown right next to the book. From here, you can change the AI module or use any source to look for detailed information on that particular word or topic. You can also use the inbuilt AI search functionality to generate synopses and summaries, or to even generate any additional content and question answers. Simply select any part of the book and click on AI search. Generate synopsis by selecting any AI module. No more switching between multiple tabs or scanning external QR codes. Learning becomes smooth, immersive, and distraction-free with Catbook. Smart tools for personalized learning. Now we will be talking about personalization tools. You can select any portion of the text and simply add your digital notes and organize them with color-coded tags. Your saved notes appear instantly in the search panel on the right. Easy to find. Whenever you need them, you can access your notes by clicking on the notes icon from the top menu as well. Taking notes and highlighting important concepts is easier than ever. With Hyperlink, connect different parts of the book for quick and easy navigation. You can also create multiple bookmarks for any session within the Catbook. 24/7 clarification. Now we will talk about our first of its kind feature, that is clarification from the Catbook itself. Students can raise doubts 24/7 from any part of the book or from additional content by highlighting any word of text. Once posted doubts are visible to other students and teachers in real time. The teacher can upload any multimedia to clarify the doubts. One can see how many doubts are raised in a particular session and can also check how many are clarified or yet to be clarified. Learning has never been more collaborative. Audiobook, text-to-speech and audio on touch. Catbook is fully audio-enabled. Listen to selected passages or the entire book at your convenience. The pistil, megasporangium, ovule, and embryo sac. The gynoecium represents the Catbook also comes with the text-to-speech functionality, where students can hear selected texts read aloud at adjustable speeds.
The gynoecium represents the female reproductive part of the flower.
For foundational classes, the rhymes and poems come to life with audio on touch feature. This supports the right pronunciation and auditory learning.
Two little hands go clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap.
Catbook's interactive activities turn early learning into engaging experience. Well done. Try again. Try again. With support for over 100 languages, students can learn in the language they're most comfortable with. From the top, you can translate the entire book, or you can even select any word and translate only that particular word into your preferred language. The comprehensive search tool helps you locate any word or topic across the Catbook. Just type a word, and Catbook shows every place it appears across units. Click any result to go directly to that part of the book. Smarter assessments for smarter learning. At the end of each chapter, you can access additional study material like question-answer bank, interactive quizzes, and self-assessments to reinforce understanding. With Catbook, UEducate is shaping the future of learning. Interactive, inclusive, and inspiring. Empowering schools, engaging students, and transforming the classroom experience.